Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home renovation and makeover videos. Today, we're diving into an extreme family room makeover featuring a stunning DIY stone wall and all the latest home updates for 2024. We've got some incredible transformations to show you, so let's get started. Plan and layout. We sat down with the family and our design team to create a plan that would meet their needs and incorporate the latest trends for 2024. Our goal is to create a functional, stylish, and welcoming family room with a beautiful DIY stone wall as the focal point. 1. Clearing out the space. Our first step is to clear out the space. We're removing all the old furniture and decor to start with a clean slate. This will give us a fresh canvas to work with and make the transformation process smoother. 2. Preparing for the DIY stone wall. Next, we're preparing the wall for our DIY stone installation. We've chosen a high-quality stone veneer that's easy to work with and looks incredibly realistic. The first step is to measure and mark the wall to ensure everything is level and symmetrical. 3. Installing the stone veneer. Now it's time for the fun part, installing the stone veneer. We're using a strong adhesive to secure each piece to the wall, starting from the bottom and working our way up. It's important to stagger the pieces for a natural look and to check for level as we go. 4. Modern furniture and decor. With the stone wall complete, it's time to bring in the new furniture and decor. We've chosen modern, comfortable pieces that complement the stone wall and enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. 5. Smart home technology. For 2024, incorporating smart home technology is a must. We're outfitting the family room with a smart TV, a state-of-the-art sound system, and smart lighting. These updates will make the room more efficient, convenient, and perfect for family movie nights and gatherings. 6. Cozy textiles and finishing touches. To add warmth and coziness, we're incorporating new rugs, throw blankets, and cushions. These textiles not only add texture and color, but also make the room feel comfortable and welcoming for the whole family. This has been an amazing journey, and we're so thrilled with the results. The family now has a beautiful modern family room with a stunning DIY stone wall that meets all their needs. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more extreme makeovers and home renovation tips.